Hello friends, my name is Vikas, BSc Chemistry Honors third year. Today our chapter name is fermentation. Fermentation is the chemical transformation of organic substance into simpler compounds by the action of enzymes, complex organic catalysts, which are produced by microorganisms such as mold, yeasts, or bacteria. Fermentation technology is the use of microorganisms to produce food, pharmaceuticals, and alcoholic beverages on a large scale industrial basis. The science of fermentation is called zymology. Principle of fermentation process. The basic principle involved in the industrial fermentation technology is that organisms are grow under suitable conditions by providing raw material meeting all the necessary requirements such as carbon, nitrogen, salts, trace elements, and vitamins. The end products formed as a result of their metabolism during their lifespan are released into the media, which are extracted for use by human being and that have a high chemical value. Types based on respiration. First is aerobic fermentation. Aerobic fermentation or aerobic glycolysis is a metabolic process by which cells metabolize sugars via fermentation in the presence of oxygen and occurs through the respiration of normal respiratory metabolism. Aerobic fermentation means that oxygen is present. Wine, beer, and acetic acid vinegar need oxygen in the primary or first stage of fermentation. When creating acetic vinegar, for example, exposing the surface of the vinegar to as much oxygen as possible creates a healthy, flavorful vinegar with the correct pH. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid is formed from pyruvate produced in glycolysis. NAD plus is generated from NADH enzyme lactate dehydrogenase catalyzes this reaction. Lactobacillus bacteria prepare curd from milk. By this type of fermentation during intense exercise, when oxygen supply is inadequate, muscles drive energy by producing lactic acid, which gets accumulated in the cells, causing fatigue. This is used in the industrial production of wine, beer, biofuel, etc. The end product is alcohol and CO2. Pyruvic acid breaks down into acetaldehyde and CO2 is released. In the next step, ethanol is formed from acetaldehyde. NADH plus is also formed from NADH, which is reused in glycolysis. Yeast and some bacteria carry out this type of fermentation. Enzyme pyruvic acid decarboxylase and alcohol dehydrogenase catalyzes these reactions. Citric acid derives its name from Latin word citrus with a molecular weight of 210.14 gram per mole, which contains three carboxylic functional groups with three different values of pKa 3.1, 4.7, and 6.4. Citric acid is a primary metabolic product. Is the important organic acid produced in large quantity and is extensively used in food and pharmaceutical industries. Citric acid is tricarboxylic acid formed in the tribocarboxylic acid cycle and is found in small quantities in all living organisms. Citric acid was first homerically produced in England in 1826 from lemons until 1919. It is produced mainly by submerged fermentation using Aspergillus niger or from different sources of carbohydrates such as molasses and starch-based media. Citric acid production. About 99% of world citric acid productions occurs through microbial process, which can be carried out using submerged or surface cultures. The 70% of anhydrous or monohydrate from citric acid is used in food and beverage industry as an acidifier and antioxidant to preserve or enhance the flavors and aromas of fruit juice, ice cream, and 20% is used in the pharmaceutical industry as antioxidant to preserve vitamins, pH corrector, blood preservative, or in the form of iron citrate as a source of iron for the body as well as in tablets, and cosmetic preparation in the chemical industry which uses the remaining 10% is employed as a foaming agent for the softening and treatment of textiles. A point is surface fermentation using rice bran or other starch or sugar rich substrates have been used for surface fermentation by Aspergillus niger or in liquid solution in flat aluminum or stainless steel pans. A metal in rice bran are used. The citric acid is extracted from the bran by leaching and is then precipitated from the resulting solution as calcium citrate. B point is submerged fermentation. It is a common practice where citric acid is made. The fermenter is made of acid resistant materials such as stainless steel. The carbohydrate source are molasses by the ion exchange sucrose or glucose MgSO4.7H2O and KH2PO4 at about 1% and 0.05 2% to 2% respectively are added. The pH is never allowed higher than 3.5. Copper is used at up to 5% 500 ppm as soon as antagonist of the enzyme agonitase, which requires iron 1 to 5% of methanol, isoprene or ethanol when added to fermentations containing unpurified material increase the yield. The yield are reduced in media with purified materials as high aeration is to citric acid production. Mechanical agitation is not necessary and air may be bubbled through. Antifoam is formed. The fungus occurs as a uniform dispersal of pellets in the medium. The fermentation lasts for 5 to 14 days. Thank you.